Are you planning to withdraw a large amount of money from your Morgan Stanley Bank account and unsure of the process? Don't worry, today I'll guide you through the steps and share important tips to make the process smooth and stress-free. So let's get started. When it comes to withdrawing large amounts of money, Morgan Stanley has specific procedures to ensure your security and compliance with banking regulations. The amount considered large can vary, but any transaction exceeding $10,000 typically requires additional verification due to federal reporting requirements. So as you can see in here, daily transaction limit for Morgan Stanley's bank could be up to $1,500 for ATM withdrawals. Withdrawals are limited to the available cash and margin balance. Additional verification may be required. The first step is to notify Morgan Stanley in advance. Large cash withdrawals aren't always available immediately as banks don't keep large amounts of cash on hand for security reasons. So call your Morgan Stanley branch or reach out to your financial advisor to inform them of the amount you wish to withdraw. Schedule an appointment to discuss the details and timeline for the transaction. Ask about any specific forms of identifications or documentation you'll need to bring. When withdrawing large sums, you'll need to provide proper identification and account verification. Be sure to bring a valid government-issued photo ID, your Morgan Stanley account details. Any additional documentation to the bank may require, such as signed withdrawal requests. You may also have multiple options for receiving your funds. It could be cash withdrawal, cashier's check, or bank transfer or wire transfer. And there you have it. With these tips, you'll be able to withdraw a large amount of money from Morgan Stanley smoothly and securely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips and advice.